Hard turning and grinding in combination with reliable pickup automation and a large working area, this machine realizes versatile manufacturing solutions for components up to a diameter of 350 millimeter. The VLC 350 GT ensures fast processes and high machining quality through its combination machining. But what makes this machine really special?
The VLC 350 GT not only masters the hard machining of gear wheels, such as hard turning of faces, pre-turning of the bore and the outer synchro taper, up to finish grinding of these. Thanks of the big working area and a large number of selectable machining units, various technologies like soft and hard turning, cylindrical and non-round grinding, drilling, reaming, milling or honing can be combined if required. The machine therefore offers maximum technological diversity.
With this diverse combination of processes, quality must not be neglected.
Correct. That's why the integrated probe checks the internal and external diameter as well as the axial positions of the workpieces.
The machine is also characterized by its ease of setup. Large doors and easily accessible tools offer high flexibility in configuration. It doesn't matter whether you are producing small quantities or large series. With its 12-cavity tool turret, the VLC 350 GT is perfectly suited for complete machining in just one setup.